guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do this beautiful and cute hairstyle. We're going to use some ribbons. Of course you can use your favorite colors. Let's start. Okay guys, we're going to do a division on one side of the head. Next we're going to do another one almost from the crown to the ear, like doing half of a heart. Now we're going to hold this section, and with the remaining hair we're going to comb it very well and hold it into a low ponytail on this side. Next, with the front section we're going to do another division following the shape of the first one. Hold the hair out of the way, and we're going to do a second division, so we will have 3 sections of hair. I'm going to start with the very front section. We're going to do a Dutch lace braid, so we're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one. I'm going to start adding hair to the braid, and now cross the strands under the middle one, and again add a tiny piece of hair to the braid. Cross under the middle, and again pick up a tiny piece of hair and add it to the braid. One more time, cross the strands under the middle one, pick up a tiny piece of hair and add it to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps until we add the remaining hair on this side. In here we're going to keep doing a regular braid and hold it with an elastic at the end. Now grab the second section, and we're going to do the same thing. Add the hair and hold it with an elastic at the end. And this is our last piece of hair, so we will have 3 braided headbands on this side. For the next step we will need some ribbons, so I have 3 different colors in here, and I'm going to use a topsy tail. I'm going to start by passing the topsy tail underneath the first stitch of the first braid and pass the ribbon to the other side. We're going to leave out a small piece of ribbon and then skip 2 or 3 stitches of the braid and pass the topsy tail underneath the braid. Pull the ribbon to the other side, and as you can see, the ribbon will be wrapping the braid. We will have to fix the ribbon every time. Again, skip 2 or 3 stitches of the braid, pass the topsy tail underneath and pull the ribbon to the other side. Keep wrapping the ribbon around the braid and hold it with an elastic at the end. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing with the second braid, and we're going to use another color of ribbon. And this is our last one, so we will have to do the same thing and hold it with an elastic at the end. Perfect. Now that we have 3 of the braids, we're going to join them to the ponytail and hold everything with an elastic. Next, with the remaining ribbon from the start point, we're going to do a bow to decorate this section. and we're going to cut out the remaining ribbon. To cover the elastics as well, I'm going to use some extra ribbon and I'm going to do a bow. I'm not going to cut out this ribbon, so I will let them at the same length of the hair. Okay guys, this is all for today. We really hope you like this hairstyle. If so, give us a big thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any video. See you next time. Bye!
Bye!